Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos and today we're going to talk about the Advantage Plus features. Are they good or bad? Advantage Plus here, Advantage Plus there, we always see the word Advantage Plus. Most of the people think that Advantage Plus is just a new way of doing a campaign. No, Advantage Plus is an umbrella term that means that Facebook is using Meta, is using AI in order to have better results with it. And let me tell you all the features that we see with Advantage Plus. We had automatic placements, now they are called Advantage Plus placements. And they have this sign over here, which we're going to see on my PC. When you see the sign, it means that they use AI. They made it pretty clear that whenever we see Advantage Plus, this is why also I think they copyrighted. I know because I have some issues when I upload something that it's called Advantage Plus within YouTube. I get some copyright claims sometimes just because I'm using it. So that means that they're using AI, and they said that they're spending a lot of money on AI and they're going to spend more. Okay, and AI is here and we know, so they're going to use it also. Whenever you see Advantage Plus, it's the use of AI, but it doesn't mean that necessarily it's always working. For example, we have right now Advantage Plus budget, which used to be the CBO. That means that it is a CBO, but it's having also the help of Advantage Plus. Now this is in all accounts. Before that we had it also in some accounts, and now they put it everywhere. The second thing is that we have Advantage Plus placements. So we have automatic placements before, now we have Advantage Plus placements, which means that the AI is helping the algorithm to understand where it's going to show the things here and there. And of course we have Advantage Plus audiences, which I'm going to analyze more in this video, because the Advantage Plus audience, it's not working very well right now. We're going to go into my PC in order to show you where it is, how it looks. I have tested it. I'm not crazy about it. I think that Meta is trying to push it in order for more people to use it so that it can train the algorithm faster. But you can see that it's the only feature that it's Advanced Plus, which is not yet imposed to all the other accounts, but you can use it or not, and the reason for that is because it's not working properly right now. Let's go on my PC, let me show you where it is and how it looks, and let's analyze it a little bit more there. So guys, I'm in this ad account. Let's explain a little bit about the Advantage Plus audience and how it is working, and what is Advantage Plus, and why everybody is obsessed with Advantage Plus. It's not only the campaigns, but it's an AI tool. So let's go and explain it further. So first of all, they named also the CBO, they named it Advantage Campaign Budget. What does the advantage mean? So basically, I couldn't understand this initially, but then I realized that whatever it said, it's Advantage Plus is using the help of AI. We know that AI is here and it's going to stay and all of that, but now even the catalog has this sign of Advantage. What does it say here? Let's see. Advantage Plus catalog, okay? Campaigns use most advantage ad technology to help maximize your campaign's performance with less effort from you. So whenever you see this sign over here, like this one, it means that it's being helped by the AI. So here by the AI, it's being helped in order to determine how it's going to spend the budget among other ad sets. And let's go over here to see the audience. So the new setting here of the audience is this, and you can switch to original audience options. The way that it's working is that on the top you're putting the country, minimum age this time. You don't put a range, so you put a minimum age, and then it targets above that everything, which means less settings all over again. So you cannot just do with this specific 30 to 50. For example, okay? You cannot do it. You can target, of course, the countries that you want and stuff. And over here, Advanced Plus audience is going to put whatever it wants. It gives you that. You can change here the ranges, by the way, but not here in the minimum age. The thing is that you can put custom audiences here. You cannot use your saved audiences, which is a little bit annoying. So if you have any saved audience that you were using with the other one, you cannot use it anymore. You can put your custom audiences here to include or exclude things, or add lookalike audience or whatever. They don't let you to actually exclude something, right? If you put this one, for example, add to cart, do they let you? No, they don't, which means that we were right that we didn't want to exclude people from our cold traffic ads, because a lot of times there were people that they were saying, I want to exclude all the people who visit my site because I just want fresh customers. And I was considering this wrong, because at the end of the day, even if people come, it's going to be data for you that are going to help you optimize further, even if they have come again to the site. And of course, we want them to convert. We don't want them always to come to the site and never convert, but you get my point. So here you can do the custom audiences. You can do lookalikes if you want over here, and you can do your detailed targeting over here. To me, it looks a little bit limiting. It doesn't let you also use saved audiences from the past that you had. I have tested it, zero difference. I can tell you that even the ads did worse from what I was doing with my original. Here, it gives you again a prompt so that it can tell you that 33% lower cost per result based on our experiment. The result is based on an experiment run between March 2023 and June 2023. The experiment compared the results of ad sets delivered using Advanced Plus audience versus the original audience. This provides to give you an idea of possible performance, but performance isn't guaranteed. And then if you click use original, you go back to the normal settings over here. Again, you have a message that it's coming here to afraid you. Here you can add exclusions again. Before you couldn't add exclusions, and you have the normal settings that you have, and you can also use your saved audiences, which you cannot use with the Advanced Plus feature. Before we close the video, why somebody would want you to use Advanced Plus even if it's not working better? Because this is how they're going to train you to become better. The more people that are using the features like the Advanced Plus, so you have seen how fast now it's working to more and more features, because a lot of people are using it. So the algorithm is being fed with a lot of data, and it understands how to make it better. This is what they want also. All the tools on Facebook, even the CBO optimization when it came, because we had only ABO optimization, they were not working as they were supposed to, and they started working after some period because Facebook and the algorithm became better with these features. This is the same thing here. Advanced Plus is not working very well right now, but I'm pretty sure that in the future it's going to work, and we're not going to have to worry anymore about targeting. Of course, it's a little bit annoying about the new accounts that might have to do it with another way, or maybe Facebook is going to transition to a way that you will have to do broad targeting no matter if your pixel is new or old. So that's all I had about Advanced Plus features. This is how they work. This is the privilege behind them, the AI. Be sure that there are going to be Advanced Plus creatives. I have a video that I have AI that it's changing the backgrounds and stuff. I know that they're working in having Advanced Plus creatives with different backgrounds. We have Advanced Plus catalog also that I mentioned, which is having a catalog which is showing the products that it is sold to specific people. The Advanced Plus creatives, in my opinion, they are going to be good with different backgrounds. Maybe it's going to change the background. I don't think that yet we're going to see new creatives completely starting from the beginning to the ads. We're going to see for sure Advanced Plus, maybe ChatGPT feature, for example, inside the Ads Manager for copy. Right now we have suggestions. So you're putting a copy and it gives you different suggestions and different variations based on that. Mostly variations, basically it's the same words but it's changing, adding emojis and stuff. So for sure we're going to have in the future features like your copy is going to be created by an AI. You put an image and the AI is going to make it better in background and stuff, and all of these are going to be called Advanced Plus Creative, Advanced Plus Copy, whatever that may be. Even on the shop, maybe it's going to be called Advanced Plus Shop because it's going to optimize with the help of AI. That's all I had for you. Don't forget that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, my course, and my website, of course. And until we meet again, guys, be creative, have fun with AI, and be consistent.